The Sanyo Denki San Ace 9RA series low-noise DC fans can be used for wide-ranging applications including servers and information and communication technology equipment. The San Ace DC fans feature a low noise, low power consumption, and long life features while keeping high cooling performance. The fans come in a variety of sizes including 60 by 25, 80 by 25, 92 by 25, and 120 by 25 millimeters. These fans are designed to fit various industry standard server sizes such as 1.5U, 2U, and 3U, making them well suited for an easy drop-in replacement in most systems. A number of nominal voltages are available, as well as various speed selections. 4 9RA fans together achieve a low noise level of 49 dBA. This is the equivalent of one conventional fan. The 9RA fans consume almost half the power of a conventional DC fan, achieving a 44% energy savings annually. The fans are ideal in medical equipment, amusement equipment, measuring equipment, audio-visual equipment, and power supplies.